Today we are making paneer butter masala. We will blanch 2 tomatoes, 1 large onion, a small piece of ginger, a few cloves of garlic, some cashews, and we will blanch all of it together. We pour hot water now. Let's cover all of them. You don't throw away the water. We will use it to make gravy. So, just gonna carefully put this in the blender. Mix up. Look at that. So we are using turmeric and red chilli powder and some salt to marinate the paneer. We are waiting for the pan to heat up. I think it's okay now. I will add a little bit of vegetable oil. Just a little bit to fry the paneer. Just gonna use our hands. Whoa! Right, now we start cooking. Okay, now we throw in the onion. Piece out. Let's add the paste. It's looking good. You know it. We are gonna add some turmeric powder, chili powder, and a bit of salt. The main bits are done. Now we just add the paneer, the water that we used to blanch the vegetables. It's a bit too much water, really. Shouldn't be that much. But it will dry out. Look at that color. I think it's a foolproof recipe. Like, you can't go wrong with it. It's quite good. And then let it cook for a while. I'm gonna put the lid on and wait for it to cook for a few minutes. Just before we take this off the fire, we add the kasuri methi, the double cream, and we add a dollop of butter, water. Tastes really good. That's our paneer butter masala done. This recipe is from Trisha Rudra. I got it from her in 2015 or so. I was in Pune. I wanted to cook something nice for my friends. So she gave me her beautiful recipe. And it's amazing. It tastes really good.